Hello, welcome back to my channel where we cover everything Excel, Word, HTML, CSS, all kinds of tech stuff. Um, so today we're going to be going ahead and covering how to remove duplicate, or I'm sorry, blank um, rows in an Excel spreadsheet. So here's our data we're going to get started with. On the right, on here, as you can see, right in through here, these are ones that are blank, so we want to get rid of those. Um, So there's a couple different ways we can do that. You just go ahead and delete that data. Okay, but that you have to delete rows or delete columns. Now that will also get rid of everything for you. Now another way is if you have a wider spreadsheet is you'll actually come over here to 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Depending on how much, that'll take out all those rows that are corresponding to that, and you'll just hit the delete key on your keyboard, and that will delete out all the information from there. So you can either have those as blank cells, so then you know that those dates didn't had no money corresponding to them because we're using money on this side. Um, and the best way to do it is to do that. Right click, hit delete, table rows, and that'll slide everything up. That's how it's formatted as a table. However, if it is not formatted as a table, what you're going to do is I'll just take this data here and let's spread that out. And so let's say that there was none here, no deposits there. So since it's not formatted as a table, I will go ahead and delete these rows here. Is when you do this and you right click on it and you hit delete, it'll ask you if you want to shift the cells left or shift them up. So if you shift them up, then it's going to make your data wonky, for lack of a better term, because it's going to show that those deposits happened on those days, but they actually in fact didn't, because those days are corresponding to that. So if your data is not set up as a table, you'll have to use either this method where you highlight all the cells and then delete them and shift everything up, or the much better way is to highlight the columns, the rows, and go down to one you need to delete and then just right click delete. That'll automatically shift everything up and it will make everything usable for you. Hope that was helpful, and if you did find this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, please feel free to check out one of my other videos on Excel that's linked here on the left. If there's anything you would like to see me cover in the future, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks and have a great day.